Hello students, welcome another to English session for 6th grade with teacher Pedro. And very important, for this session we are going to study two things. Number one, we are going to study a list of verbs, and number two, we are going to study some rules for conjugations of verbs in English. Okay? So the topic is topic 17. What does a computer network architect do? Okay, interesting. So let's start with some verbs. Verb number 1, to produce. Let's repeat. To produce. Example, produce a plant. Number 2, to research. Let's repeat. To research. Example, research new technology. Number 3, to present. Let's repeat. To present. Present a plan. Number 4, to fix. Let's repeat. To fix. Example, fix the cables. To work. Let's repeat. To work. Example, work in a server room. And finally, to analyze. To analyze. Example, analyze information security. Now, it's time to pay attention. It's time for learning some rules of conjugation. Here we have two sentences. What does a computer network architect do? A computer network architect researches, or a computer network architect researches. Which one is correct? Let's pay attention to the rules of conjugation. Important. Add the letters es at the end of the verb if. Number 1, the verb ends with ch, x, s, z, or sh. Number 2, we use simple present. No simple past, no future. And number 3, we use he, she, it as subject. Okay? So let's pay attention again to the example. A computer network architect research. The verb is research. Okay? So the verb ends with the letter ZA. CH. So is the step number 1. The step number 2 is simple present. The step number 3 is the subject. Is the third person, is he, she, or it. So computer network architect is only one, is singular, is the third person. So the number 2 is correct because the verb ends with the letter ch. The sentence is in simple present. And number 3, the subject is singular, a computer network architect. So the number 2 is correct. The number 2 is incorrect. Now, which one is correct? Computer network architects researches, or computer network architects research? Okay, let's pay attention again to the rules. Add the letters es at the end of the verb if the verb ends with these letters. Okay, the verb ends with the letter ch, research. Okay, number 1. Number 2, we use simple present. Simple present. And now we have the subject, he, she, or it. Singular, and it's third person. In this example, the subject is plural because computer network architects plural. So the number 1 is incorrect. The number 2 is correct because the computer network architects is plural, but because it's plural, we are not going to use the letter ES, okay? So that's the reason is the number 2 is correct, because only we're going to use the letter ES if we use a subject he, she, or it. In this case, computer network architects is plural, so that's the reason is incorrect, the number 1. Okay? So let's repeat again. A computer network architect, the subject is singular in this case. In this order, computer network architects is plural. If we pay attention to the picture, we have two people. So that's the reason it's plural. In this case, the example number 1, computer network architect is only 1, as in the picture. So that's the reason. Okay, pay attention to that. So that's all for the session of today. And thank you very much for your attention. See you later.